This is Pat Walker at MissionWinners.com, and I'm making a video response for Law. Law has a great question. When you started trading professionally, did you factor in 6 months of living expenses saved in addition to your trading account, or did you go with a longer time for saved living expenses? And this is a good question. And Law, I'll give you my history, is years ago I taught on the university level. I was a broker and an investments advisor all the way through, I had Walker Capital, all the way through the late 80s, all the way through up until 2000. In the first, I think it was the first month of 2000, I got out of the business. I gave my business to my partner. I should have sold it. That was a mistake. I gave my business to my partner, and I became a private investor. So you could say, well, pointedly, what did you have? How much did you have for living expenses? Well, I'll tell you what, there were 6 of us. The Lord bless us. We got myself, my wife, and 4 kids back then. They're all growing up now. But basically, I had at that time, going back and thinking at the accounts and things like this, but we had some expenses. Holy Toledo. I had at least a year of living expenses in our account, minimum. So we had, I'm thankful, I'm not bragging, please, I'm not bragging. We had at least a year of living expenses. We could have done nothing and just taken money from the account, and we would have been all right doing it. So I had a year or 2 years of living expenses in our account. Okay. By the way, I have to stress with you, at that time, the kids were younger. I didn't have any kids in college, all right, with major expenses. But I did have a couple of kids in private schools. So that's how we did it. And for that, I'm thankful. And I just worked really hard. And, thankful that my wife was a stay-at-home mom. And she worked hard raising 4 kids. So, yeah, she had a job. And it was very involved. But that's how I did it. And I'll share this with you because it is a good question. Is Law, just don't put yourself in a position where, and this may sound corny to you, sir, but I have to say this from my heart. Don't put yourself in a position where you have to make money. It's like, I got to make money to pay the bill. I got to make money. No. Knowing that times you can make a lot of money, but there may be times that there's not much going on. And will it be emotionally stressful? And it's just something that a person has to balance. Once you have a decent nest egg, though, the pressure lessens, knowing, hey, I can take a little money out of the account. I'm going to be okay because I know when things are good, we're going to be making money. We're going to be making money, not trading. We're going to be making money. So I know I went probably longer than I should have, Law, but it's a very important question. And I stress, don't come into this, if you're going to live off of it, please don't come into this undercapitalized. Now, maybe your situation's different. Maybe you're retired and you're set, and which would be awesome. I don't know, and I don't want to know. It's not my business. But I just hope this answers your question. I want to do it justice. Sir. So, Law, I thank you for the question. By the way, I love your first name. I just got to tell you that, okay? This is on the video to you, so I want you to know. That's kind of cool. But anyway, I hope this helps, sir. And again, I thank you for your question. Thank you.